Alright traders, good day. So we are now live day trading WTI Crude Oil Market March contract 2020. So this is day trading. So inside this video I will show you how I do trading based from my paradox setup. And at this moment we have a short sell position at 60 and need to place an order 53.16 and then to TP at 83.0806. So it was I'm targeting to have a quick scalp for this kind of situation. This is we are time now is 9:23 a.m. New York time. We are entering New York time about 23 minutes ago. And so far this is the first setup appeared to go for a short sell position. So we will follow our setup. So recommendation, and hopefully everything's will flow fine. And so waiting for next move. So once the order got triggered, then we will keep update. So just my live trading signal I also said the same thing, short sell at 56.6 and try to TP around 10 ticks below. So should be a quick one, and let's wait and see whether this is a good scalp during your session or not. So please watch this video to the end. So we'll keep you updated in this video. Okay guys, we in the market. So this one you can see minus 1 ticks. So let's hope everything should go fine. There's a high volume waiting here at 63.13. Okay, now we are plus 3 ticks, plus 30 plus 40 50. So keep increasing. So there's a high volume at 53.10, and on the downside 53.05, 53.04 is quite okay. 53.00 is looks nice, and hopefully everything will go smoothly, and will take around a few minutes to be filled. So another 5 more ticks. Now $50. So this will be a quick scalping, and hope everything will go fine. It's not far from the TP. Okay, we hit the TP point, so it was a good one. So let's see. So this is 100, supposed to be $100 in profit. 120 is another scalp. So for US session scalp is $100. We hit the TP. It was a quick one. I think a few seconds. Let's check. Okay, we did enter 16 and 06. So should be around 20 seconds. So what's this? The timestamp here is to be a second price movement. So it was a quick one, and let's wait for another signal if possible in next 1 hour time. So it was a good profit trading, and there's a link below instruction. Feel free to click on it. Oh, I forgot to mention in my Telegram channel. And so okay, oh yeah, so we hit the TP. It was a quick today. Alright, so let's go back. I think we'll wait for another signal if possible to go into the market. Let's wait and see. I will do recording in the different video. So thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, or ask me anything. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.